When you're deep into the miles and points game like me, you tend to have a lot of credit cards. Some of them have annual fees, and to maximize, I make sure I use all the benefits and I use CardPointers to manage a lot of my cards. This video is a CardPointers tutorial video. My name is Max and I help people maximize their airline miles, hotel points, and credit card points. Hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does help on my channel, and let's start talking about CardPointers. I've been a long time user of CardPointers, and it's the app I recommend to my followers if they want a tool to stay organized with all their credit cards and maximize their credit card offers and the points that you earn. If you just have 1 or 2 cards, that might not be necessary, but if you have 5, 6, 7, or 10 or more cards, that's when CardPointers can really help you out. First up is setting up CardPointers. CardPointers is an app for Android, iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and also has a Safari and Chrome extension as well. I have an iPhone, so I'll show you how it works on iPhone, which if you're on Android, it's very similar. Go to the App Store and download the CardPointers app, and once you've downloaded the app, the first thing you want to do is add all of your credit cards. You only have to do this once, but the more detailed you are, the better CardPointers will work for you. So for example, if I want to add the American Express Gold card, I can go ahead and search for the card up here. There are over 5,000 supported cards in the US and Canada, and no bank logins are required, which is great because I'm always skeptical about giving my bank logins to any third parties. The app will automatically know the benefits of all your credit cards that you add. You can log the date of your card approvals, so you'll know when the annual fee comes up and be reminded that the annual fee is coming up so you can call for a retention offer. Down below that, you see more ways to track some of the card benefits, like the American Express Gold has a monthly dining credit, which once you use, you can slide this over and keep track of it. And you can also keep track of your progress towards minimum spend requirements, so you can earn that sign up bonus and make sure you don't miss out on that sign up bonus. Below are more card features and card details, and it looks like they took the card benefits page that's super long and organized it into an easy to read and easy to reference format, so you can reference later if you need to. This is super important when it comes to cards like the American Express Platinum, where there's like a laundry list of card perks and benefits, and the more you use the perks and benefits, the more you'll offset your annual fee. Once you've added all of your cards, you can always go back to it in the cards tab at the bottom and even add more cards later on as well. After you add all of your cards, the pointers tab is where CardPointers will tell you the best cards to use for each spend category. So when you're at a supermarket, for example, and you open the app and you go to the pointers tab, the app will tell you which card to use when you're at the supermarket to maximize your points earning. In this case, it's telling me that the American Express Gold to earn 4 times points. Below the search bar is the map feature, where it'll show you visually what stores are around you, and it'll tell you which cards to use at each store. The nearby button will show you what stores are nearby in a list format. And the best card wizard is super handy if you're looking for a specific retailer or a store, say Target. You type in Target and it'll tell you which card you should be using at Target. Another cool feature in Pointers is AR, and all you need to do is point your camera at the store and the app will tell you which card to use, which is super cool and feels really high tech. And if you enable autopilot, the app will track your location and based on your location, recommend a card to use automatically on your lock screen. I can see this especially useful if you have a day where you have to run a bunch of errands and you're going from place to place. Just set up autopilot on your phone and just look at your lock screen and know exactly what card to use every single time. Once you're done with your errands, turn off autopilot and the app will stop tracking your location. So that's just a few features on how CardPointer tells you the best cards to use every single time. If you head over to the offers tab, this is where you'll see all the credit card offers that are currently on your cards. And so this shows American Express, Chase, Bank of America, and Citi offers. You can swipe down to search for specific offers. This is where the CardPointers Chrome or Safari extension comes in. When you have the Chrome or Safari CardPointers extension installed, you can add all of your American Express, Chase, Bank of America, and Citi offers automatically. And this is all done securely without your bank account login. For example, I have the Chrome extension installed, and if I go to my American Express page, the extension recognizes that and automatically adds all of my American Express offers to my card. Once they're all added, it's synced with the app, and then I can quickly and easily search in the CardPointers app to see which cards have offers for what stores. This is way better than clicking on each individual offer one by one and adding them. And speaking of searching the app, if you want to search the entire CardPointers app, go to the search tab, and this will allow you to search all cards, all offers, and stores and categories at the same time. Keep in mind, to unlock all of these features, you need CardPointers Plus, which gives you access to all features across devices, including the ability to auto-add offers. You can check out the link in the description for more information on the differences between CardPointers and CardPointers Plus. And finally, the last tab is the For You tab. This will be your dashboard of how many cards you have, the annual fees, offers on the card, and the total value of the offers and benefits. The CardPointers app can also track your 524 status as well by toggling this button up here. The For You page is highly editable, and you can tap on edit up here and determine what shows up on the page and what doesn't, because it's a For You page. So now you know the ins and outs of the CardPointers app. Now let's go through some bonus tips on how to maximize your points earnings with CardPointers. If you're a Siri user, you can always ask Siri what the best card to use is, and she'll tell you what the best card to use is.
CardPointers for supermarkets.
This is pretty cool. I don't like Siri much, so I much prefer to have the shortcuts and widgets on my home lock screen, which I'll show you what that looks like. On my home screen, I like to add CardPointers widget as a quick access button, as well as remind me what some of the current offers are on my cards. There are a lot of other cool and fun features in the CardPointers app to help you use the right card every single time and really maximize your credit card points. If you're interested in checking out CardPointers, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching this far, and remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.